Hey everybody, how's it going? So Apple has announced a piece of news that they are going to be backing down on their decision to disable Face ID if you change the screen outside of an Apple authorized repair center. This is something that could have never happened without all of you. So I want all of you to give yourselves a nice pat on the back. Again, I am just one dude yelling into his camera, but it's really all of you that make a movement what it is, and that's going to move us towards a society where we can repair our own things again. Now, I think this takes the people that were arguing without evidence in the comment section that this is about security. It puts them in a really tough spot, because if you're somebody who is arguing without evidence that this is being done because it is required for security, you're forced to admit one of two things. Either behind door number one, Apple was making, again, you were just making this up all along, and it had really nothing to do with security whatsoever, and that either Apple were making it up or that you were making it up when you wrote those comments. Or behind door number two, this actually was about security, and now you have an insecure device. Your iPhone is less secure, and you should not be using it because you value security, don't you? So it's particularly interesting because, again, the people who are making those bad faith, uninformed arguments, it really is door number one or door number two. Either A, this had nothing to do with security all along, or two, it really did have something to do with security, and now you have an insecure phone in your pocket. And if you value security so much, then, again, in that case, maybe you shouldn't be using an iPhone. Food for thought. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And again, give yourself a pat on the back, because this happened because of all of you. I am flying back to beautiful New York City from beautiful Chicago right now, and I'll see you all later.